When it comes to improving your home's comfort and reducing utility costs, upgrading to energy-efficient East Northport windows can make a remarkable difference. Designed to combat fluctuating temperatures and enhance overall performance, these windows deliver both environmental and financial benefits that homeowners in East Northport can appreciate year-round. Lower energy bills through superior insulation. One of the most immediate advantages of installing East Northport energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy consumption. Traditional single-pane windows allow heat to escape during the winter and infiltrate your home during the summer, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Modern East Northport windows feature double or triple pane glass with argon or krypton gas fillings that act as thermal barriers. Combined with low emissivity coatings, these windows significantly minimize heat transfer. The result? Your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing your reliance on air conditioning and heating systems. This improvement often leads to noticeable drops in monthly energy bills, offering long-term savings that quickly offset the initial investment. Enhanced comfort and indoor climate control. Energy-efficient East Northport windows not only save money, they also make your home more comfortable. Drafts, cold spots, and overheated rooms become a thing of the past thanks to superior sealing technology and precision installation. The insulating glass and weather-tight construction maintain consistent indoor temperatures, preventing uncomfortable fluctuations. This means that whether you're sitting near a window during a frigid East Northport winter or a humid summer afternoon, you'll enjoy a more pleasant indoor environment. Protection against UV damage. Another often overlooked benefit of East Northport energy-efficient windows is protection against ultraviolet UV rays. Sunlight streaming through ordinary windows can fade furniture, flooring, artwork, and curtains over time. High-quality energy-efficient models are coated with special low-E films that block up to 95% of harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. This not only preserves the beauty of your interior decor but also saves you money by reducing the need for replacements or repairs caused by sun damage. Reduced environmental impact. Upgrading to energy-efficient East Northport windows also supports a greener planet. By decreasing your home's energy consumption, you help reduce carbon emissions and minimize strain on local power grids. Many homeowners are now taking pride in knowing that their investment contributes to a more sustainable community. Furthermore, some window manufacturers use eco-friendly materials and processes, such as recycled glass and responsibly sourced frames, ensuring that your choice aligns with environmentally responsible living. For homeowners seeking to achieve green building certifications or meet stricter local energy standards, these windows are a key component. Increased property value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows are more than just a functional upgrade, they're a smart financial move. Potential homebuyers recognize the long-term savings and comfort benefits associated with energy-efficient features. As a result, installing East Northport windows can boost your home's resale value and marketability. Beyond efficiency, these windows come in a wide array of styles, finishes, and frame materials. Whether your home has a modern aesthetic or a more traditional design, you can enhance its exterior beauty while reaping the rewards of improved performance. Noise reduction. For a peaceful home. Living in or near busy East Northport neighborhoods often means dealing with outside noise. Fortunately, energy-efficient windows are designed with insulated glass and specialized seals that reduce sound transmission. This acoustic insulation creates a quieter, more serene indoor environment, ideal for families, remote workers, and anyone seeking tranquility. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Finally, East Northport energy-efficient windows are built to last. Made with advanced materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, or treated wood, they resist warping, rotting, and corrosion. Many are also engineered to minimize condensation buildup, keeping the glass clear and clean with minimal effort. With proper care, these windows can perform optimally for decades, offering a reliable return on investment and continuous energy savings throughout their lifespan. Conclusion: switching to energy-efficient East Northport Windows is a practical and eco-conscious choice that enhances your comfort, protects your home, and reduces long-term expenses. From cutting energy bills to improving indoor air quality and boosting property value, the benefits are substantial and lasting. Whether you're renovating your current home or building a new one, investing in energy-efficient windows ensures that your living space remains beautiful, comfortable, and sustainable, season after season.